Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Some exciting news today. Apple Card is here for everybody. Anybody running iOS 12.4 with a compatible iPhone can now sign up for Apple Card, which I have done. So if we head over to my wallet app right here, you can see I have my Apple Card. One cool thing about this app is it gives you a lot of insights to your card and your spending and all that kind of stuff. First thing, the card will change colors based on your types of spending. So different categories will be different colors and it will change based on that. Right here we have your total balance and your amount available. We have your weekly activity, which you can also switch to monthly. So that is cool right there. Again, your total balance on the bottom, categories down here. I haven't made any purchases with it, so there's not a lot of information in here right now. Right here we have your payments section. So when your payments are due, by the way, all payments are due on the end of the month. So September 30th is going to be the first payment for this card if I use it. Right here, you have your amount, your total balance, your available credit, and when you have a balance on this, you can turn this wheel to make your payment, and it will show how much interest you're going to be paying if you don't pay the card in full, which is really nice if you're trying to avoid interest. You can see how much you actually have to pay to get the lowest interest amount possible for that month. And that is pretty much that. Right here, up there, we have some extra options that shows you your card number and everything like that. I'm not going to go into that because it does show my address, and there's a section in there that shows the card number. But that's how you reorder your card if you need to replace the card. That's how you view your card number and its card security code and all that kind of stuff. If you need to use the card online somewhere that doesn't take Apple Pay, you can still do that. And then, of course, I have my physical card ordered and coming in the mail, so that should be here in a few days. That will also show down here in the notifications section when it ships. So I'll do another video showing you guys the card when it gets here because it's pretty cool. It's a titanium card. So I'll show you guys that when it gets here. If you're interested in Apple Card, though, like I said, it is available for everybody. You can now go to the wallet app, click the plus icon on the top right here, and you can apply right here. It will have Apple Card right there now that is available if you don't already have one. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.